In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete items from inventory on Roblox. So first, when you open your Roblox app, you will see here at the left menu the three dots. Just click that one and select inventory. There you go. So in inventory, this is where you can see all the items that you purchased. And if you wish to delete the items, just go ahead and do this here. So as you can see here, I only have one items. But if you have a lot of items, this is a tip that I will tell you. So first, select the items that you want to delete. Remember that some stuff which you've got and created yourself can't be deleted. But the stuff that you bought from other people, this item can be deleted. And remember, if you delete an items, you do not get your Roblox back. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.